Hello humans, my name is Buzz. Today I'm going to give you an insight into the world of honeybees. I hear you humans are constantly using the term busy bee, but I'm not sure you really know what you are talking about. There has been a stereotype placed upon us bees that there is a chain of hierarchy within the hive and everyone is busy doing their own part. Previous studies conducted on other forager insects have shown that some individuals performing a given task produce a higher activity level than others. This is termed elitism. In a typical hive, you humans would expect a queen bee who runs the show, drone bees who mate with the queen, and worker bees who are widely known to have a variety of jobs, such as foraging and providing food for the colony, caring for the queen, and basic day-to-day tasks for maintenance of the hive and the colony. This is where the term busy bee comes from. However, recent studies of worker bees within a honeybee colony have shown we may not all be as busy as you think. Everyone thinks that all bees are hard workers and constantly busy, but do you know about this bee? Tenzar conducted a study of 5 colonies with over 2,000 bees per colony and discovered some unexpected findings. Radio frequency identification tagging technology, or RFID, was used to track the lifetime flight activity of the worker bees. This technology had not previously been used in other studies on honeybees. 2 tags were attached to the backs of the individual bees, which coded for a unique ID. Their movements were tracked by 2 laser readers positioned at the entrance of their beehive. As the bees passed under the laser beams, the photocells on the RFID tags would light up, activating the chip to transmit the ID information to the system. It was observed that unusually high flight activity was present in some honeybee foragers, relative to other foragers from the same colony. In other words, the worker bees were not all doing the same share of work. In fact, only about 20% of bees accounted for 50% of the foraging activity. This means that while some bees are keeping busy and working really hard, true to their job, other bees are doing no work at all and just lazing around. While this all seems very unfair and inefficient for the colony, it was also revealed that these lazy bees will in fact jump into action and begin foraging when the other busy bees die from being overworked. These results indicate that the previous theory of elitism in honeybees is not exactly correct. Unlike elitism suggests, there is no one group of special A-team hardworking bees. In fact, all bees have the capacity to work at extreme levels. In short, the foraging activity of bees can be flexibly adjusted relative to environmental cues. For example, the sudden and unexpected disruption of a worker bee death by a freak accident outside of the hive causes the lazy bee to step up and take their place. These findings provide new insight and knowledge to the science behind the world of honeybees. This is an area of study that is ultimately crucial due to honeybees' involvement in the maintenance of a sustainable environment via pollination and fruit production. This ecosystem function is currently under threat due to the decline in world honeybee populations. Therefore, further research into the field is highly valued and encouraged. Well, humans, I hope you've learned a little something today about honeybees. Maybe next time you think about using the term busy bee, you'll remember we are all a part of a greater colony. Until next time, humans, I got me a flower to pollinate.